Can you show how to disassemble the half-sized eagle? Yes, of course, let's do it. All right, before we do anything, let's make sure it's clear. Perfect. All right, you'll see a little button here on the left side. Simply hold that in. While you're holding it, come to the other side and pull the slide lock down. You'll feel the barrel become loose and simply slide it off. Now just slide off the rest of the slide. There's the guide rod and springs. Pretty easy, right? Here's the empty slide. To put it back together is just as easy. Position your guide rods, grab the slide and push it back on. Use your fingers to align the guide rods, grab your barrel and slide it in place. Lock it in using the slide lock and you're back in action. The link to get yours is in our bio.